synthetic oil, they have an excellent control of temperature. They have excellent control of viscosity. That's very important. They have better chemical shear stability. They don't evaporate easily like the mineral oil. They have a lot of resistance for the corrosion, for the thermal breakdown, and to the creation of slag. The synthetic is excellent. They have extended drain intervals. This is why if you use the mobile one, you can replace each 20,000 miles. Oh, wow. In comparison with the mineral, each 3,000 miles. No, because this is full synthetic. It's created in the laboratory. The atoms are identical. The control of temperature is perfect. The control of viscosity is full synthetic. In comparison with mineral, okay, those are the advantages of synthetic versus mineral. And now we are going to talk about what is the meaning of those numbers, feet, 5, 20, 30, 40. What is the meaning of that? This is the Society of Automotive Engineers, SAE, has established a numerical code system for grading motor oils according with the viscosity characteristics. SAE viscosity grades included the following: from low viscosity to high viscosity. From low viscosity 0 to high viscosity 60. All right. The numbers 0, 5, 25 are suffixed with the letter W. Like this. They said 5W20. What is the meaning of W? W is designating for winter, not for weight. Or called star viscosity. The viscosity at low temperature is 0, is 5. And the viscosity at high temperature is 20. Oh, wow. That's nice. At high temperature, high viscosity. This is what I need, because in the traditional oils, only with one grade, like this, single grade, this is 40. The viscosity is 40 all the time. Doesn't matter if it's low temperature or high temperature. Oh, I don't like that, because in the morning, in Alaska, start the engine with that oil, high viscosity, is hard.
Wait,
this is good, excuse me, when the temperature of the engine is hot. That viscosity is good, but I prefer in the morning low, practically 0 viscosity. Oh, this is this oil. This oil is 520. A little viscosity at low temperature and high viscosity at high temperature. This is good. There are other ones, 5W40, 10W40, high viscosity at high temperature, or